How to lift mouth corners naturally to get a youthful look. You all want to have a beautiful and a youthful look. However, with an increasing age, your skin becomes loose as it starts losing its elasticity. As a result, you start looking many years older. Most importantly, the corners of your mouth start sagging first. In this video, I am going to tell you that how to lift mouth corners naturally for maintaining your youthful look. Sagging corners of mouth do not look good, and also, they affect your beauty as you smile. However, there are some natural ingredients that can help you in lifting up the sagging corners of the mouth to get rid of the issue of loose skin permanently. How to lift mouth corners naturally. Remedy 1. Egg white and cucumber. For this remedy to lift mouth corners, the ingredients you will need are: ingredients: cucumber, egg white. Procedure: take a cucumber and cut it into 2 pieces. After this, peel off 1/2 piece of it. Cut the peeled piece into many smaller pieces now. Take a grinder and grind these small pieces of cucumber to make cucumber pulp. Next, extract cucumber juice from the pulp. Now, mix cucumber pulp and egg white well. How to use: apply the mixture on your skin covering the mouth corners and leave it for 15 minutes. Wash it off with clean water. Use the mixture 1 to 2 times in a week. Continue using it for 3 months and you will see a significant improvement in your skin. Remedy 2. A good remedy is to apply coconut oil daily on sagging mouth corners for a lifting effect. Coconut oil is loaded with antioxidants and thus, it helps in keeping your skin protected from free radical damage. In this way, it prevents sagging or aging skin. Benefits you will get. The use of cucumber for your skin is very beneficial as there is such an enzyme in cucumber that helps in expanding the capillaries of the blood in your skin. Also, cucumber provides required moisture to your skin. The use of cucumber juice on your skin area on a daily basis helps in keeping your skin moisturized. Also, it is quite effective for the removal of wrinkles from your skin. Egg white is commonly used in cosmetics. The use of egg white for your skin helps you get a firm, tender and a soft skin. This is all about that, how to lift mouth corners naturally. Follow these remedies as these are effective and natural and get a youthful look.